In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Canva design to Google Drive easily. If you're a creator or someone who uses Canva extensively for making graphics, this process will save you time and ensure your designs are always backed up in the cloud. First, we need to start at the Canva homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button labeled Create a Design. Click on this to open up a list of design options. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's select Logo to keep things straightforward. Feel free to choose any design type that suits your needs, whether it's a document, presentation, or social media post. After selecting a design type, Canva's workspace will open. Here, you can either create a new design from scratch or pick one of the available templates to speed up the process. Once your design is ready, it's time to move ahead to the sharing options. Look towards the top right corner of the Canva interface and you'll see the Share button. This is your gateway to exporting your design out of Canva. When you click Share, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find the option to download your design. Clicking this will prompt a download settings window to pop up. In this window, you can choose the file type you want your design to be saved as. Options might include PNG, JPEG, or PDF depending on your design's requirements. Once you've selected the appropriate file format, hit the download button and Canva will start preparing your file for download. Shortly, the file will be saved to your computer's downloads folder, ready to be uploaded to your Google Drive. The next step involves moving over to Google Drive. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account where you wish to store your design. On the Google Drive page, find the New button in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it to see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select File Upload. This option will open a file browser window where you can locate and select the file you just downloaded from Canva. Browse to your downloads folder, find the Canva file and double click on it to begin the upload process. Google Drive will then upload this file and soon you'll see it in your drive, accessible from anywhere you have internet access. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded a Canva design to Google Drive. This straightforward method helps keep your creative work organized and safe. With all your designs accessible from the cloud, you can easily share, collaborate and ensure your work is always backed up.